Hi, hello everybody. It's Naoko from Naoko's Kitchen. Today, I'm so excited to let you know our new project aiming for sharing the fun of cooking with you all. So, today's cooking, we use Umen, very Japanese traditional noodle, and yuzu kosho. These two are today's key item, and kindly my partner Mok Shop provided this authentic Japanese food. So I'm gonna show you how to use this authentic, healthy Japanese food to you. So first of all, slice the chicken into small pieces. Then dust the sea salt. Mix well. Then let me introduce what is umen. This umen has a long history in Japan, and generally the flour noodle contains oil during the making process, but this noodle, umen, never contain any oil. So it's so healthy, light, and also you might find the length, this is very short than normal noodle. So it's easy to cook. So let's boil this umen. Put in one bundle of umen. Meanwhile, shall we make a soup using the chicken thigh? Put the chicken in hot water plus one chicken stock. This noodle would take only 2 or 3 minutes for cooking. So it's quick, isn't it? Sieve umen in a cold water, running water, and remove the starch from the surface. All right, so the noodle is done. Finally, another partner of today's main ingredients, yuzu kosho. The yuzu kosho originated in Kyushu Island, southern biggest island in Japan, and made of yuzu, Japanese citrus. Scoop 1 teaspoon of yuzu kosho and add the soup. So for these ingredients, just click the link we provide. Then you can get these ingredients the next day of your order. Let the yuzu kosho dissolve in the soup. Then put it back to the main soup. I'm gonna make a lovely presentation, plate presentation. The first, put some umen in a bowl. Then spring onion, chopped spring onion, fresh lemon, and black pepper. Right. So then have a look at. This is the soup. Very clear, delightful, but so tasty. I think this is perfect for cold night. All right. Then put some petal and miduna on top. Then sprinkle some spring onion. Then sliced lemon. Done and dusted. So this is the yuzu chicken, yuzu kosho, umen noodle soup. Enjoy.